I am so excited, you guys. I am Brian Rice, and I have been taking classes for a while. Okay. And Manifesting Miracles this has been my second one. And Manifesting Miracles is the most amazing event because you get to figure out where you are in your enlightenment, where you want to be in your desire to help people, and you figure that out, and then you get an action plan, because you can't get anything if you don't take action, right? So you get an action plan to get everything going. Okay, Manifesting Miracles, to get to do it for this second time has been the most enlightening event that I've done yet. And I've done a lot of them with Ironverse. And I'm telling you, if you need to change the way your life is going, then you need to attend this event and figure your stuff out, because that's the only way things are going to change. Thanks a lot, and bless you guys. Namo Himalaya.